What are some crimes that can have a serious impact on your immigration case? Welcome to U.S. Immigration Simplified. I'm immigration and business attorney Ronald Lee. Certain crimes can make non-citizens, including lawful permanent residents, deportable from the United States. These offenses are outlined in the Immigration and Nationality Act and fall under several categories. One is crimes of moral turpitude. Crimes involving fraud, dishonesty, or intent to harm. Some examples of these include theft, fraud, and assault. The impact, deportable if committed within 5 years of admission and punishable by at least 1 year in prison. Multiple CMTs, crimes of moral turpitudes, regardless of timing, can lead to deportation. 2. Aggravated felonies, a category of serious crimes under immigration law, not always the same as criminal law definitions. Some examples of these include murder, rape or sexual abuse of a minor, drug trafficking, firearms trafficking, money laundering over $10,000, fraud causing a loss of over $10,000, crimes of violence with a sentence of at least 1 year, and the impact, permanent bar from re-entry, ineligible for relief such as asylum or cancellation of removal. 3. Controlled substance offenses, crimes related to illegal drugs. Examples, drug possession, manufacturing or distribution, marijuana possession over 30 grams. The impact, any drug conviction other than a single offense of simple possession of less than 30 grams of marijuana can make a person deportable. Grounds for inadmissibility in future applications. 4. Firearms offenses, crimes involving illegal possession, use, or trafficking of firearms or explosives. The examples, unlawful possession of a firearm or firearms trafficking. The impact, deportable under INA Section 237A2C. 5. Domestic violence and related crimes, crimes against family or household members. Examples include domestic violence, physical or emotional abuse, stalking, child abuse, neglect or abandonment, violating a protective order, and impact, again deportable. 6. Fraud and deceit, crimes involving deception for personal or financial gain. Examples, immigration fraud, for example, a fraudulent marriage, tax evasion or welfare fraud, deportable if the loss to the victim exceeds $10,000. 7. Crimes against national security, acts undermining U.S. security. Examples include terrorism-related offenses, espionage, sabotage. Immediate grounds for deportation and permanent inadmissibility. 8. Human trafficking or smuggling, crimes involving exploitation or assisting illegal entry into the U.S. Examples, smuggling undocumented immigrants, labor or sex trafficking. The impact, deportable and permanently inadmissible. 9. Crimes of violence, offenses with intent to cause harm that involve a substantial risk of violence. Examples, assault with a deadly weapon, battery causing serious injury. And the impact, deportable if it qualifies as an aggravated felony. 10. Prostitution and related offenses, engaging in or benefiting from prostitution. Examples, operating a brothel, soliciting prostitution in some cases. The impact, grounds for deportation or inadmissibility depending on the circumstances. Multiple criminal convictions, 2 or more convictions resulting in an aggregate sentence of 5 years or more. Impact, grounds for deportation. 12. Failure to register or falsification of documents. Violations related to federal registration or document fraud. Examples, failure to register with immigrant authorities, using false documents such as fake passports or IDs. The impact is deportation.